Hi, welcome to the video training series. My name is Carl and today we're going to look at an image gallery. Firstly, we insert a one column table. Now keep in mind the image gallery, since it's quite a large item, it can only fit into a one column table. So change to image gallery and then we double click and we open the image gallery editor. From here we select the folder to open images, and I'll select that one. Do I want to rename this image? Yes, okay, because I'm already using it in another area. And second, okay, third, and fourth. Now with the image gallery, it is important to only use photos that are of the same dimension, meaning this is a landscape photo. If I insert a portrait photo, what it will do, the image one being landscape, it's going to try and stretch this image to be a landscape, so it's not going to work. So you need to either use all landscapes or all portrait photos within one image gallery. So I'm just going to delete that image, select delete. Okay, now I haven't resized these images. If I go to the top here, we've got to resize the image. So currently they're 1024 and 683 high. I'm just going to show the effects of what will actually happen there. Now with this we can have writing on the bottom of each image. So New Zealand, I'll copy that. So we'll call this New Zealand 1, and then we have an overlay style. Select the overlay style. Okay, so this is the font and the font size that you can use, font colors and overlay colors, and opacity. I'm just going to set the opacity to 75, and you can also select where the text is going to be. It's either going to be left, center, or right, and also how many pixels from the bottom. There's quite a few things you can change there. So we'll just go OK to that, and then we hit save. So then we go to the next image, and we're going to call this one New Zealand 2, and save. With the overlay style, that applies to all images. So you just have to do that once, and then all images will follow that theme. Save. And number 4, and save. Now gallery preferences, this is thumbs on right, on the left, top, or at the bottom. So I'll show you how that actually looks on the website and the issues that it can cause if you do have them in the wrong position. Now, so we have got thumbs on the right and columns 4. You can select between 1 and 10. I shall show you how this looks on the website. Okay, now we have border colors and a border hover color and a border width. Okay, I'll explain how that looks. So firstly we just go save and close, and then we synchronize, and we'll have a look at it on the web page. Okay, now we'll have a look at the web page. Okay, refresh the page. Okay, we can see that we have a problem here. If we look at the top of the template, it's stretched the template out. Now there's two reasons for that. Firstly, we did not resize this image, and the image was 1024 pixels wide. And then we've got the thumbnails on the right hand side, and we have 4 of them. So with the image editor, that will stretch everything all out of proportion if you haven't resized. So what we'll do now is we'll resize the images, and we'll adjust this section here with your thumbnails. So go back to Complete Web, double click in the image gallery, select the first image. Now we go to resize. Let's try 650 pixels. Okay, and OK. Now the next one, resize, and we're just going to match width on this one. Makes it a little bit easier for us. Match width. Match width. Okay, next thing we need to look at is the style. The thumbs on the right, left, top or bottom. I actually don't mind them on the right, but we're going to select two columns, so which means there's going to be two thumbnails next to each other and the other two will be underneath, and this should fit perfectly within our content area. So we save and close and then we synchronize. Okay, and now we'll go back to the web page and we'll refresh that page. Okay, now we'll see that looks better. The template isn't stretched at all, and this is where we've added the thumbnail images. Okay, in the template editor it said, do you want the thumbs to have what color did you want the border when you hover? See, this is set for black, so when you hover over a thumbnail they go to a black border. Also you'll see the text on the bottom, New Zealand 4, so you can adjust the color of the font, the size of the font. You can adjust the color of the background and the opacity. I quite like the 75%. It makes it stand out. Okay, that concludes our training on the image gallery. Thank you very much and stay tuned for more.